Every morning begins with observation. Take a moment to look around the room and notice how it's been left from the night before. This will help you plan what needs doing first and ensures you won't miss any details later. Start by opening blinds or curtains to bring in natural light. It immediately refreshes the atmosphere and helps you see the room clearly. Fresh air and daylight make a big difference in maintaining a clean, healthy environment. Next, you're going to strip the bed, folding or removing linens depending on whether it's a sheet change day or not. Always check with your employer how often they want clean sheets. Some prefer daily, others weekly. In this demonstration, I'm using fresh sheets, but this step will depend on your employer's routine. As mentioned before, some households prefer daily linen changes, while others may do it weekly. Whichever applies, start by ensuring bottom sheet fits neatly, pillows are aligned, and the duvet sits evenly. Finish by smoothing the entire bed. This small final touch gives a crisp professional appearance every time. Once the basics are done, add the decorative bed cover and arrange the cushions. This finishing touch can transform the space from just made to professionally presented. Next, look around the room for clothes, accessories, or other items on the floor or furniture. If you're sure that something's dirty, place it in the laundry basket. If you're not sure, you can simply fold it neatly and set it aside. It's better to be cautious than risk washing something unnecessarily. Once the bed and floor are clear, use a microfiber cloth to dust. Go over bedside tables, shelves, lamp bases and window sills. This will keep the room fresh and bright. To finish, vacuum the high traffic areas, around the bed and in front of the wardrobe. It doesn't have to be a deep clean each morning, just enough to remove visible dust and debris. If you do this consistently, the room stays easy to maintain throughout the week. Take a final look around. A well-made bed and clear, tidy surfaces make any bedroom feel calm, organized and ready for the day ahead.